Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to activate call forwarding on Samsung. For the first thing you do is, from the home screen here, open up your phone and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Make sure it's on phone, not keypad or recent. There's three dots here, then tap on settings. So the next thing you're going to do is tap on other call settings. As you can see, there's no call forwarding here, so tap on supplementary services actually. Tap on supplementary services, give it a few seconds to load. It's loading. Now we go to call forwarding, tap on call forwarding, this is the second option here. So, let's say even the phone calls, because the data needs to be transferred through the SIM you're using. Now, if you can see very well, you notice that I have two SIMs here, SIM 1, SIM 2. The first SIM, this is the option, so now this is the second one. Now I want to do it through the phone, so the first SIM one, that's why I tap on call forwarding, and then I tap on apply options. Then we have forwarding busy. Now we have forwarding busy option, we have forwarding on one side, we have always forward and forwarding unreachable. As you can see, for particular reason, these are two options are not available right now, but they should be available for you. Let's say I want to do forwarding busy. And after typing in, let's say you're going to put in the phone number you want to forward it to. Give it a few seconds. And that's it. So now when my calls are busy in the first line, we forward this particular line. So I can also do the same for forward when unanswered to a number or a different number. It's as simple as that. That is how to activate call forwarding on Samsung.